Alright guys, welcome to our site. It's dbestiqbot.com and we offer you the best IQ option binary robots in the market. So in order to download, click on this link. Scroll down. Alright, sign up. If you already have an IQ option account, just skip this. But if you haven't created yet, please click on this link and create your own IQ account first. Okay? Scroll down, then you have to register your IQ option email address through here. So for example, my IQ account gmail.com, click on I'm not a robot, okay, and submit it. Okay, great, successfully submitted. Now you can download our bots. Here you can click on this to download our DBest, but we prefer you guys to look at our user guide, so you guys have an idea how it works and blah blah. Okay, so this is how it looks. Just read it step by step. Right, I'll just scroll it down. Alright, and in recommended settings, we decided to show you guys which strategy works the best to make a steady profit. So please read this and follow it step by step. I will also upload videos regarding this later. Alright. And the last page, read this please too. Okay, going back to downloads. Now we'll download our bots. It's 23.5 megabyte. Okay, once it's done, click on this. And you will see this Windows protected your PC blue screen, but this is not a virus or threat to your system. Just so click on more info and click on run anyway. Okay, so click on next, install, next, finish. There you go. Now you can use our bots.